Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin rallies, but everyone is wrong about Bitcoin and crypto right now. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including everyone being wrong about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies right now. Before we get into things, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter at @Cryptolove, subscribe to the channel. Now, Fear and Greed Index 48. Look at this. If the market isn't indecisive in terms of sentiment, in the past month, we have had neutral, we have had extreme fear, we have had greed, we have had regular fear. What haven't we had? I think we've even had extreme greed. So things are all over the place right now. The market up over 8% today. Bitcoin at 68.31, Ethereum at 26.61, BNB at 508, Solana 157, XRP 59 cents, Toncoin 651, Dogecoin 10 cents, and Cardano 34 cents. Now, Bitcoin, after bouncing sharply after this very steep wick down there, right now sitting at the 21 EMA and also the, I believe that's a 200-day moving average. Now, historically, Bitcoin tends to blow through both of these averages, so it may not stick around these levels too fast before going back up to the top of this bull flag. Right now, Bitcoin is back above the daily EMA 200 line. You can see when it's done this historically, a reclaim of this line has always led to a sharp rise in prices in recent years. This time would be no different. Now, had you have been trading on leverage or sitting out, waiting to buy Bitcoin lower, or just scared out, well, it turns out Bitcoin had one of its best days this year. This is the reason why you have to be full cycle and not just day trading the best asset for the past 10 years. We take a look at the best 10 days of Bitcoin for each year, and that is basically most of the gains that you'll see for Bitcoin. The total remaining is a lot less. So this year so far, best 10 days, 52%. The rest, negative 15%. That's why, buy and hold. Now, as of right now, very thick sell wall sitting above Bitcoin price. Fun fact, Binance's CEO Art Tang tweeted steady right before the last sell wall was removed, allowing Bitcoin to pump $7,000. Bam. The elite showing who is driving the underlying vehicle. Could this happen once again? They just pull the rug out from under us and price pumps once again. Look at this huge sell orders from $61,000 to $62,500, 12,000 Bitcoin in total. Idiots, or do they know something? Could they all be wrong, or could they just be suckering more people into shorting Bitcoin and then liquidating them as the price goes higher? I'll leave that question up to you. Right now, the CME gap has been filled. This was the gap above Bitcoin price, has been filled. So now we're just back in this sideways megaphone. But to all the haters and weak hands who thought the bull market was over, Bitcoin is back above the all-time high of 2021. Nobody said it would be easy, but patience and perseverance are everything in this space for those who have persevered. You deserve what's coming. That's right, a big fat green candle right in the mouth. Now, this is an interesting chart right here. Core Bitcoin miner reports almost $1 billion in net losses. Ouch. But the last time miner revenue was this low was just before a huge move in Bitcoin price. So we might just have a huge move coming for Bitcoin. Do you see these similarities? Look at this. Finding support above previous resistance, wick down below, and then what happened the last time? Well, we have finding support above resistance, wick down below, and then look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 monthly candles. Giant green dildo candles right in your mouth. Smile and enjoy. We also have this chart right here, the Bitcoin bump and run reversal in play. You can see we have the bump phase, we have the reversal, and then there is the run coming up. An interesting pattern emerging on the chart. Things could continue to much higher levels. Once we break this broadening wedge, it is clear skies above. Generally, these wedges are just sideways movements before price goes up. Once this breaks, it's going to be big like we saw in 2016, 2020, and now once again, 4 years later, surprise, surprise, Bitcoin's in a sideways megaphone, breaks out of there, and price goes to the moon. This time will be no different. Just buckle up. Get ready. It's all coming. Green dildo candles for everybody. you get a green dildo candle, you get a green dildo candle, and yes, you in the back get a green dildo candle too. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter @cryptolove, subscribe to the channel, watch that video that YouTube says, and I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.